Hey y'all, it's Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, do help me out and hit that subscribe button. And if you find this video that you're about to watch helpful, be sure to hit that like button, comment in the comment section, and share with a friend. So today's product is a great little tool if you have sore muscles or you work out a lot. So let me go over what it is. It is called the Rubball, and this is the box it comes in. Nice little compact square box here. And I'm going to include a link in the description so you can check it out, look at their website, read other reviews that may be posted on their website. But let's go over everything you get once you open up this box, what it does, and then towards the end of the video, I'm going to jump on the yoga mat and kind of show you a few kind of ways to use it. So once you open the box, you're going to get the device itself, which we'll go over here in details in a minute. You're going to get its charging cable, which is pretty straightforward. And then you're going to get an instruction booklet, which will tell you a little bit about the product, but more importantly, you want to flip to the how to use page because they're going to show you some quick little descriptions on how to use it on the various muscle groups, calves, hips, quadriceps, etc. So check this out because it'll kind of give you some ideas of where to use it. And essentially, then this is the device itself. So here on the bottom is where you plug it in to charge it up. And then on the top here is the power button, which is where you turn it on. And there's going to be 3 little blue lights, which these will light up depending on the various intensities. So that has 3 vibration settings. And then there's a red light here, which is the power light. And then there's 4 green lights, which will light up and show you how much power is left in it. It's about a 2-hour charge. It has a rechargeable lithium battery on it. The company does warranty it, so it has a 2-year warranty on it. And then there's also a 90-day guarantee, so if you don't like it, they do have a guarantee with it. The ball itself is really mobile. It's 6 inches in diameter, and it's 2.2 pounds. So it's great for travel. Now, if you have, and I have a couple other videos, feel free to check them out, on massage pistons, this is kind of an alternative to that. To me, it's a little bit more versatile in travel because it's more compact than the massage pistons. Usually those come in little cases. And then because of its unique round shape, I find this more useful for when you're by yourself. So you can kind of get it in a position and massage the various muscle groups to loosen up those muscles without the need of somebody else. So with the massage piston, while you can use it yourself on your calves and your legs, your arms, you can't really hit any of the neck or the back. It's very hard to do that while holding it while it's doing its thing. But this, because of the ball and the unique shape, you can set it on the ground and kind of roll across it, or use a wall and kind of roll across it and get into those muscle groups. Now, when you are using this, you need to use it on a semi-soft kind of material. So it's ideal to use it on a workout mat, a yoga mat, carpet, rug, etc. You don't want to use it directly on a wood floor or a tile, because then that really causes the bouncing back on it, and it doesn't work as well. Also, you don't want to use it on something ultra soft like on a bed, because then it's just going to sink into that. And like I said, this is a great device for if you have any lower back pain, any chronic pain, muscle tightness, sore shoulders, etc. It really the vibrations get in there in those muscle groups and release the toxins and work it out. So let me turn it on here. You just hold down the button to turn it on. There we go. You can see the light, the red light is on, and it's fully charged. And I'll show you the 3 intensity modes. The low one is great. The middle one, there's a big jump between low to middle grade, and then the top one is very intense. My only kind of complaint I would say on this device is there's a big jump from level 1 to level 2. I wish that was more in between 1 and 3, but it gets the job done. So that's the most important thing. So once you hit the button, it starts to turn on. I don't know if you can kind of hear that. And we'll go to level 2. And then we will go to level 3. And then you hit it again and it turns off. If after about 20 minutes worth of use, it will automatically turn off too. So it has kind of like a built-in timer, or if for some reason it accidentally gets turned on in your bag, it will turn off. So, and then to completely turn it off, just hold down the power button, and that is it. So, like I said, I'll put in the description a link to check it out for yourself. And let's go hit the yoga mat and kind of show you some positions on. All right, so here we are on the yoga mat on the floor. So I wanted to kind of show you a couple ways to use this, just so you get an idea. So obviously, once you turn it on, we'll get the lights lit up here. Put it on the low mode. If you're going to do your arm, it's really easy. You just kind of rub it around on the various muscle groups. Your foot, which is one of the places I think is awesome. I like it on the more intense one. You just kind of do that with your foot. It's sometimes with the feet, I actually find it better to stand because you can put more pressure on it. Then you can do, here's another. You kind of lift your leg here. It's actually more like how you want to do it, like this. And it really works the muscles, reduces that soreness. And then if you want to do your hip, you kind of go into a plank, sideways plank here, and then you just rock back and forth. And then, the vibrations just penetrate those various muscle groups, which is great. Same thing. So you do kind of your glutes over here. You that's rock back and forth. And that's kind of how you use it. Like I said, you want to make sure you have you don't want to do it directly on wood floors. You want to have a yoga mat or carpet or a rug that helps with the rolling of it. And that's basically it. So if you want to hit me up in the comment section, I do typically respond. If you have a question that I didn't cover, I can comment on it there. And like I said, I'll put a link in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. It does make a great holiday gift if you have a person in your family that you think it'd be useful for. So that is it. Until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you're a rock star. You made it to the end of the video. Now, if you really want to become a legend, help me out, hit that subscribe button. And then it always helps also if you hit that like button and share these videos. Till the next one, you guys take it easy.